സംസ്ഥാനത്തെ റേഷൻ വിതരണ സംവിധാനം മികവുറ്റതെന്ന് സിപിഎം പോളിറ്റ് ബ്യൂറോ അംഗം സുഭാഷിണി അലി. നിലവിലെ എൽഡിഎഫ് സർക്കാരിന്റെ പ്രോഗ്രസ് റിപ്പോർട്ട് മികച്ചതെന്നും യുഡിഎഫും ബിജെപിയും തമ്മിൽ കൈമാറ്റ പ്രക്രിയ നിലവിലുണ്ടെന്നും വോട്ടർമാർ ഇക്കാര്യം തിരിച്ചറിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നും സുഭാഷിണി അലി കൈരളി ന്യൂസിനോട് പറഞ്ഞു.
എൽഡിഎഫ് സർക്കാരിന്റെ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് പ്രചാരണ വേദികളിലെല്ലാം തന്നെ സജീവ സാന്നിധ്യമാണ് സിപിഎം പോളിറ്റ് ബ്യൂറോ അംഗം സുഭാഷിണി അലി. സുഭാഷിണി അലി ഇപ്പോൾ കൈരളി ന്യൂസിനോട് ചേരുന്നു. മാം, how many marks will you give the current government? What's your opinion?
See, I will give marks in two ways. If I talk only about Kerala, then I will give the government 9 out of 10. But if I compare what work they have done in Kerala to what other governments doing in the rest of the country, then they will get 11 marks out of 10 because they have done so much work. You cannot imagine such work being done by any other government.
The 1% will be reduced.
Huh?
1% will reduce.
No. That is if I am only talking about Kerala, not comparing to the other states. Because more needs to be done. Now the new government will come. They will give Veetamma pension. They will do more infrastructure. They are going to give free internet to all the poor people. They are going to create more jobs. So I am giving that 1% space for them to do more work.
You have to visit any state, any place. But how did you compare the ration distribution Kerala in other state?
You see, there is no comparison. In the other states, the ration cards are being cancelled. The Supreme Court has given a notice. 3 crore ration cards have been cancelled in the rest of India. That means that poor people are being denied ration. And in Kerala, not even one ration card has been cancelled. This is the difference in the approach of the government. The other governments, they want to take away all the facilities from the people. And Kerala government wants to give more facilities to the people. So ration in Kerala means you are getting 14 items. In the rest of the country, you may get some ari, you may get some atta, you may get some sugar, but that is also not regular. And they have to go for a lot of trouble. Now they are saying you have to show Aadhaar card, you have to show this card, and when they are giving the thumbprint, then they are saying your thumbprint has changed, so we are going to cancel your card. All this is going on in the other states of India. Even during lockdown, lakhs of families, I can say, did not get the free ration. Lakhs. And now the ration cards are being cancelled because the central government is planning actually to stop the procurement of rice and wheat from the farmers, which means that the rationing system itself will collapse, and that will be a very big danger for Kerala because Kerala is having such a good ration system.
Ma'am, I will ask you one political question, last one. Now this time, you okay. Yeah, last one. Okay, last one. UDF and BJP, you have to transfer policy. Listen to me, your speech. UDF, BJP and transfer policy. What's your comment?
You see, my comment is coming from their statements. I don't know, I am coming from outside Kerala. I was in Thrissur and I am reading in the newspapers that Suresh Gopi is saying in Guruvayur, BJP is not having a candidate, so BJP supporters should vote for the Indian Union Muslim League candidate, Kader. This is a statement made by the BJP, not by me. In this area, we are seeing that the leader of this constituency from BJP, he has gone to Tiruvalla constituency and some transfer policy is going on. I am not saying it. They are saying it, not me. I am only repeating in the meeting what BJP people are saying and what UDF people are saying. Now, Chennithala is also saying, we don't mind getting BJP votes in Guruvayur, in Talaseri and all these places. What does it mean? It means that they are having some underground agreement.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. വളരെ നിശ്ചിതമായ വാക്കുകളിൽ കൂടി തന്നെയാണ് വേദികളിലും അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നിരവധി വേദികളെ കൈയടക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് ഇത്തരത്തിൽ സജീവ സാന്നിധ്യമായിക്കൊണ്ട് സുഭാഷിണി അലി വേദികൾ കൈയടക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ക്യാമറമാൻ രാഹുൽ ചന്ദ്രനൊപ്പം കെ ബി ശ്യാമപ്രസാദ്, കൈരളി ന്യൂസ്.